Hello my dear students, today we'll do questions of construction of triangles of class 7th. Question number 1 is, draw a triangle PQR in which PQ is 3 cm, QR is 4 cm, RP is 5 cm. That means all the three sides are given, right? And we have to also draw the perpendicular bisector of the side PQ, right? First we will construct the triangle with these three sides. That means this is a question of the type SSS construction. Right? As all the three sides are given, you know that to draw a triangle we need three components, and here are three sides are given. Okay, all you need is a compass, a pencil. You will draw the triangle with pencil only, a scale and protector if required, and eraser sharpener of course, right? So first we will draw a rough figure for this. You can take base as any one side. So suppose I'll take base as PQ 3 cm. Suppose I am drawing here PQ 3 cm, right? Then QR is 4 cm and RP is 5 cm. As we have taken 2 points at the base here, P and Q, so R point is obviously at the top. So our triangle is roughly like this. It is a rough figure. This is 3 cm, RQ is or QR is 4 cm, and RP is 5 cm. Right? Now we'll construct. Take the base PQ as 3 cm. So draw a line segment, take 0 point of the scale, start from 0 point of the scale and go to 3. This is 3 cm line segment PQ. These are the endpoints, 3 cm. Now QR is 4 cm, right? So R point is above there somewhere. From point Q you will place your compass tip at Q point and draw an arc to get the point R, right? But how much we have to open the compass? 4 cm first. So 4 cm open your compass, 0 per compass tip and up to 4 you will open. This is 4 cm, right? Now place it at Q. QR we need 4 cm. So place it at Q and take R. Draw an arc like this. Now there is no point, right? To get the point, use the third side, that is RP 5 cm. RP. P point we know that this is P point. So 5 cm we need. So now open your compass for 5 cm. This is my 5 cm. 0 per compass tip and go to 5. This is 5 cm. RP, that means P point हमें पता है, right? P point is this. To get R point, cut this arc. This is 5 cm and we have cut that arc. Now we get a point, that is point R. Now you can join R point with P and Q to get the triangle. So this is a required triangle. Triangle PQR is the required triangle. Now one more thing is also there in the question. We have to draw the perpendicular bisector of PQ. So PQ का perpendicular bisector हम कैसे draw करते हैं? You have to open your compass for more than half of this side. PQ side is this, right? More than half you will open. Approximately this, right? You can take this or this. It should be more than half. Okay, half is approximately this. More than half it should be. So place it your compass point at P point. Draw an arc here above the line segment, one side of the line segment, and draw an arc to the other side of the line segment. Now place your compass point at Q, cut this arc to get a point, and cut the, sorry, this was not visible, now it is, and cut this. Right, now you get 2 points. These are the 2 points. Now join these. You can join by dotted lines or solid line, that is your wish. This is the perpendicular bisector. You can name it point A, point B. AB is the perpendicular bisector of PQ. Right, this completes this question. Now our next question is, construct a triangle ABC in which angle A is 120 degrees and AB is equal to AC is equal to 3 centimeter. We also need to draw the bisector of angle A. So first we will draw a triangle. Right. First we will draw a rough figure of it. We need to take one side as base. Suppose we are taking base as AB. So AB, if we take 3 centimeter and angle A will be 120 degrees. So 120 degrees will be like this, right? And next side is AC. AC will be again 3 centimeter. So approximately we get a rough figure of the triangle like this. This is C, right? And you can observe that side, angle, side. This is SAS construction. The 3 components are side, angle, side. So now we will draw this. We will construct it. Take base as side AB, 3 centimeter. Draw a line segment. AB, 3 centimeter. Now at A we need to construct an angle of 120 degrees. You know how to construct, right? At point A, draw a semicircle first. Open your compass. You can take any distance. No need to measure while opening the compass, right? Just draw a semicircle. Now from this point, make an angle of 60 degree, right? Now from 60 degree arc, you will cut one more time to get 120. This is a 120 degree angle. Now join it with this point. This is 120 degrees, right? Now 2 components we have drawn, that is side, angle. Now third component is again side, that is AC. AC side is also 3 centimeter. So from A point we'll measure the compass to 3 centimeter. Open your compass to 3 centimeter. Keep it at A point and cut here to get C point, right? So C point is this. Now join C point with your B point and we get the required triangle. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now one more thing we have to do, draw the bisector of angle A. Angle A का bisector कैसे draw होगा? You have to open your compass more than half of 120 degree. 120 degree measure is this, right? From this point to this point, these 2 points, right? Measure your compass more than half. Half is approximately this. Open it more than half. Keep your compass point at this. Draw an arc here. Again at 120 degree arc, draw an arc here. You will get the bisector of angle A. And you can join this with A point. Join this by dotted lines if you want. Suppose this is point B. AD is the bisector of angle A. I hope these 2 questions are clear to you. if in case you have any query, you can write in comment box. Thank you very much.